Let's double check Resolv targets updates with my customer said. Congrats everybody who watched it like usual. The first video after listing and not hop in blindly because influencers shield you to the moon. So we use initiation accumulation pump model. We dump it if we ignore this week crazy dump because of Donald Trump made some crazy announcement about tariffs. If we ignore this week and double check, for example, on the line chart here, we just land to the best zone to buy. Bounce it from that zone. It's a daily time frame, consolidate long-term period here, fill the 0.5, I guess, of this week, bounce it. This is a manipulative move. So this is an amazing part of the crypto space because when we're going down, it's manipulation. When we form something like this weird price action like stairs, right? It's organic. It's organic. So crypto space is so weird space, in the world of people. All right. So also take a look how the bots and how the soft of market makers kept the price inside the range. So imagine this is the daily candle. So we just stay in a line. The same story now. So everything what you see on the chart, guys, is just pure speculation by venture funds and the market makers. What I don't like on Resolv, I'm not a fan of any token and I'm not blame any token. For me, all of these tokens absolutely equal. No matter it's Ethereum, for example, Resolv, I don't know, Terra Luna, Polka Starter, Monero, XRP. Why? Because all of them just a pure speculation. The main goal at the end for us, like a trader, is making money, make a USD with a short or with a long. So some 25, some 24, some 25 especially, showing us. So all of these fairy tales about buy the spot for a long run, it's just fairy tales. So you invest in some startup, and after that you invest at it, you waste all your stable coins with DCA and get nothing. While you could just trade it on the futures or even speculate on the spot, but not stuck blindly in the idea. Also, what I don't like with Resolv, everything what is about a stable coins, I don't like it. Because I guess only the government can print the national currency, no matter it's China, India, or United States. So, the Tether, anyway, one day we will see or some adoption from the government to Tether, or the Tether will have some big troubles and it's going to be the biggest one ever. The same story with the USDC. But anyway, Coinbase is friendly relationship with the government. All right. That's why it's weird. So, Resolv is a delta neutral stablecoin protocol. How many protocols do we saw they hack it in Zone 25, Zone 24? So it's just a matter of time, I guess, when it's happened again. Market cap 10 and 7 twice bigger FDV. So imagine this token already dumped it from 44 cents dumped to, let's say, no, ignore this week, it dumped to 3 cents, and FDV still 7 times bigger than market capitalization. It's not good. 14% tokens only in circulation supply. Is it possible to hit $1 easily? Easily. Why? Because with this current circulation supply, imagine current circulation supply 140 million. $1, 140 million market capitalization. Of course, the FDV will be like, 7 times bigger, like around the billion, right? But like speculation, this token gonna have a great potential. Amazing potential. So yes, $1 is more than real to see. And not because of this protocol of stable coins delta something special. No, just because the market makers can put the price to the zone of liquidity. This one, it's time to fix the profit swing trade. This is going to be the next one. And $1 price, maybe a little bit higher. For example, 140 million easily. Here. it's going to be like 1,500% gains. Dog with hats pump at 7,400 in 2024. Dog with hat, imagine. That's why, guys, everything is possible in crypto. And the main goal is not blindly believe in fundamental and all of that marketing stuff, what they post, Trade just charts. So this is a zone of fixation swing trades. Now we are inside, the best zone to buy. Invalidation of this idea, it's a drop under 1 cent. So listing price on a BitGet because it's the lowest one. What I don't like also now, it's a market mood still in a free zone. It's kind of weird and it's kind of scary because we can drop even lower. A lot of tokens like a StarkNet, for example, under listing price. And if we drop under 1 cent, there will be just a open space, open zone for price discovery mode, right? Well, there is no support, nothing. Absolutely open space. And we don't know where we're going to stop. So if you want to buy now, more than accumulate this token. If you believe in it, this is a definitely low cap token, 10 million market capitalization, traded on all major exchanges. So with a good volume, 1.26 million. Fundraising rounds, I don't know if there is some information. Seed round, so no entries. We don't know what the price that venture funds investors get their token. So when is enough for them to dump. So example of venture funds, flow, pumped, seed round, private round, like on CoinList, it was 10 cents. They put the price to $20. After that, after the 4 years, they dump exactly to the seed round, to the private round entry. So that's a point. Because the venture funds so greedy, if they even get like 50% profit from the seed round entry or private round, they will dump it to that entry. The same story, guys. Maybe one day we will see the Celestia at 1 cent because the private round was 1 cent for Celestia. It doesn't mean it will happen 100% for sure. No, but it's possible. So high chances. Market mood, of course, on the daily, it's disbelief capitulation. Technically, it's good. So daily is good. So I highly recommend go and check the first video about this token so you will understand the logic why we are here, why exactly at this level. ADZ direction. Here was a huge accumulation, pump, huge distribution. Now we're in the middle. So it's kind of weird because we almost at the same level, but just a neutral market. So this is how it works, right? So here, it was a so crazy fear. Everybody, it was in disbelief after the Donald Trump announcement. And they put the price from 4 cents to 24. It was an amazing time to out at 38 level by FIB. And we crashed it down again. But now we're in neutral market. It's kind of weird, but we're in the same line, in the same price line. Direction, no accumulation. So technically, guys, here, accumulation, here, distribution. Pretty simple. Risk, dump on the listing price. If you're not ready, don't touch. Just don't touch the token. Markets mode I showed you. We don't have to play with the gas. We just play with the plan. And in that plan, you put the money what you afford to lose. It can be the liquidation or it can be the stop loss. Pretty simple. So, don't doubt like, why I lose the money? Because it's okay. It's a part of your job. Daily. Here was a money in, money out, money in again. Now nothing. Weekly, no money inflow. No money inflow. Here we lay down at the bottom. Now we're, once again, we almost at the same level, but around the middle line. So if we will see the drop, it's going to be pretty hard, guys, because it's going to be something like this one. I hope not. I hope we'll consolidate it here and go higher. Something like this one. But of course, based on risk ratio, guys, if you want to buy now, for example, 7 cents 3 at 61 level by FIB, you withdraw initial deposit and leave free tokens. Pretty simple strategy. Trade on. Buy signal was here in November at the beginning. Now nothing. daily. Here was accumulation, aggressive accumulation on ADZ. So if you track this token, 4 signals to buy from trade on indicator. Here's take profit, sell, sell. Let's add alert to take profit from the sales. Sell, sell, and trade on, take profit from the sell, because we see just the buybacks. 12 time frame, also no signal to take profit from the sell. Only the buybacks. So I guess soon we will see that take profit, and after that maybe the new signals to buy. The last indicator, guys, trade on, take profit. I mean, buy line now it's 510.79, take profit 11.53, exit line 12.85. Fundamental value it's 4.40 on a daily. Weekly no data. For 12 time frame, we already retested the buy line bounce. Retest again, it's a sweep of this liquidity. It's 610.27. Fundamental value, it's 410.67. I hope we will not see that retest again. Take profit 12.57, exit line 61 low by FIP, around 14 cents. So guys, idea, explain it. If you like to trade with my customer said, add the same alerts to track it. Just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Matecom channel. See you next time, guys.